Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the OpenAI API with GraphLinq. First, let's head over to the GraphLinq marketplace at marketplace.graphlink.io to download the OpenAI GLQ API graph. Once you've downloaded the graph, go back to the GraphLinq IDE at id.graphlink.io and load the file. Before we launch the graph, we need to get our OpenAI API key. Head over to platform.openai.com. We have already signed in. Go to your profile and click View API Keys. Then click Create New Secret Key and copy your API key. Don't forget to save it somewhere safe, like a notepad. Now that we have our API key, let's paste it into the GraphLinq IDE. In the GLQ graph, find the secret string value and paste your API key there. Great! Now we're ready to launch the graph. Click Launch Graph and wait for it to start running. Once the graph is running, let's go to app.graphlink.io to see it in action. Go to My Graphs, find the OpenAI GLQ API graph, and copy the API link. Next, let's open up our notepad where we saved our API key earlier. We'll copy the API link and replace your _API in this command with our own API link. Don't forget to change the prompt to something else if you want. Finally, let's run the code. Open your terminal or command prompt, paste the command we just edited, and hit Enter. If everything went well, you should get a response from OpenAI right on your local computer. Alternatively, you can test the API directly on IDE as well. Here are the steps. Download the OpenAI test graph from Marketplace. Then go back to IDE and select the OpenAI test. Click on the secret string value and paste your API keys. Then just write your prompt and execute the graph. These features enable developers to create advanced workflows and automate complex tasks with ease. For example, you can use the OpenAI blocks to link them with Discord, Telegram, Twitter, and Twitch to make different kinds of bots that let you fetch responses directly from OpenAI to your bot in real time. And that's it. You've successfully used the OpenAI API with GraphLinq. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more GraphLinq tutorials on our channel.